Grok AI. Welcome to the future of social media interaction. Grok AI, Elon Musk cutting-edge AI chatbots, is here to revolutionize how you urge on X, formerly Twitter. Whether you are a casual user or a power poster, this guide will show you how to unlock Grok's full potential. Let's dive in. First, let's get started. Open the X app or website and log into your account. Look for the Grok icon, a small sparkle in the left sidebar on desktop or the bottom menu on mobile. Click it and you are in. Users get 10 messages every 2 hours. 5 premium subscribers enjoy unlimited access. Ready to ask anything? Type your question into chat box. Need inspiration? Grok suggests trending topics, meme ideas, or even help brainstorming quiz. Not happy with Grok's response? Hover over your prompt and click the edit icon to refine your question. Use the regenerate button for fresh answers or rate replies with agree or disagree to train Grok to your style. Copy responses instantly or share chats via link privately for collaboration. Level up with Grok's creative tools. Generate jaw-dropping AI images by typing prompts like futuristic cityscape. Free users get 3 daily uploads, while premium users unlock PDF analysis. Attach photos or documents using the paperclip icon and let Grok summarize content, explain memes, or even suggest edits. See a Grok button on a viral post. Click it. Grok dissects trends, explains content, and even translates humor. Ask follow-up questions, write there, or jump to a full chat. And if conversations get messy, hit new chat to start fresh. From real-time trends to image magic, Grok X AI is your ultimate sidebar on X, ready to dominate the feed. Subscribe for more tech hacks. Smash the like button and let Grok turn your ideas into viral gold.